Alright, we're back. I'm gonna show you how to use the controls on the little camera. And so you can see yourself on TV. Can you hold this? So as you can see here, it's on the mode. If you could look at the TV, it's recording right now. I'm gonna press it again. And it's gonna choose the files. You can see. I'm gonna press here OK, and it's gonna play.
Alright people, so as you can see I'm recording my level system here.
Put it up.
Using the infrared that came with this camera. She's right there behind. It's pretty dark in here, you cannot tell, but it's a little bit of sunlight outside, but not enough. And this is my man cave pretty much. And so pretty dark, so I wanted to show you. I'm going to turn on this ultra light flashlight, and you can see the difference without it and with it. And that little light, man, makes a lot of difference. If you're out in the dark recording, you're not going to give off your position, and you use infrared, you can record pretty much and see in the dark. And as you can see, I wish you could see this. It's kind of dark in here, but with this light, there's a distance, far distance. I got a light on, but it's not super bright. So I'm just recording this. I'm gonna put it on the TV. I'm gonna plug this camera so you could watch how I do it. I'm gonna plug the adapters for the inputs, that inputs the video and the audio. I'm gonna record myself using this camera on the TV. You can see how easy it is. Alright people, take care. Gotta go. I'm gonna stop this video right now.
Okay, so you see how easy it was. You just connect the audio and the video on these old school TVs, and the controllers are right here. The mode, pretty much go to mode, and I was using the infrared night vision right there, so you can see how it looks at night. So yeah, I recommend this little camera for 70 bucks. It does the job. Alright, take care people. I'll keep recording more videos. Hopefully I'll catch a UFO and show it to you guys. Take care. Bye bye.